Oh no. Horrible. Ugh. Man, this is trash. I gotta get out of here. Me and the missus are planning to go to Cuba. We got a nice little spot. We've been there before in Santiago de Cuba, the southern part. Brisa Sierra Mar is the resort. It's good value for the money, let's just say that. So, the reason we chose Cuba, first of all, it's an awesome place. People are super friendly. And another reason, it's a time capsule. And a third is it's cost effective for Canadians. So, I'm not sure if a lot of you guys have been there, probably not if you're in the States. In the late 50s, mid 50s, embargo and blah blah blah, Castro. So, all the cars are stuck from that era. Usually they don't have the original gassers in them. They diesel swap everything. They have like Isuzus and Suzuki diesels and Toyota diesels, but they don't have Cummins. They have a little more of the Asian diesels, but they do the swaps down there and they work. And I'm gonna show you some of them. So I'm here in Cuba. I'm doing a tour of Santiago with Jose, who's an awesome cab driver, and this is his immaculate 52 Chevy Deluxe. We're gonna have a take a look because it's got some surprises under the hood. It's got all the nice chrome on it. This is probably the cleanest car I've seen in Cuba. He spent a lot of money and had it done right. So what do we got in here?
Hyundai, Kia. Hyundai.
Hyundai diesel.
Yeah.
It's all chromed up, looks nice. So it's mechanical fuel injection. That's about all I can tell. Just so clean, very nicely done. He's actually got air conditioning in as well. This is super rare to see on a Cuban car, is working air conditioning. And he's got the interior. It is pretty swanky in here. It's got the back to match, it's got the nice headliner, stereo, everything. You guys gotta check out the trunk too. He's got even the trunk finished off nicely, which is pretty swanky. So we got a 56 Chev, some kind of taco little car, a Jeep, another like 52, busy as shit. It's crazy what you just see in the parking lots around here. Oh, it's DeSoto. It's really cool. There's a lot of sweet Land Rover. Looks like a Ford, 50s Ford there. Another Ford and an MG and a Jeep. So cool. So it's actually a 48 Fleet line, similar to Rich's. Beauty. Nice. Yeah, yeah, sure. Oh, it's air-cooled diesel. That's so cool. This is out of a tractor, right? Tractor motor? Truck?
Soy ruso. Russian Chevrolet.
Yeah. Mechanical fuel pump. That's really cool. So no radiator, nothing in this. Let's have a look. You can't really see much. You got your transfer case going back, side gas tanks, heavy rear axle. She's beef. Nice.
Pretty neat, eh?
Oh yeah.
Pretty neat. Wow.
And then they cut it and stretched it out the back. But they did a really nice job on everything.
Yeah, the best they have in the car here is Che Guevara.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You know, Che Guevara, Comandante.
This was his car? It's cool. This thing's boss. You guys have fun.
All right, man. Thank you.
See you. So we have an 89 Lada. 1989. Something you don't really see too much at home. It's in good shape. How many kilometers? Just under 100,000. cool. It's got the rims on it. It's probably got original stuff. Dash. Okay, so it's 4-cylinder. It's pretty clean too, not rusty.
Ayer en Chibrico cayó un agua, eso fue en Chibrico ayer. Yo la veo más. Sí.
I'm not sure what size it is. I have to look that up. Here's something else you don't see often at home. Pretty sweet, nice condition motorcycle. Zero mileage. That's nice. Here, give me this. It's nice. What's left, maybe. It's cool. Original? Now that we're loaded up with bottles of rum, we're going a little slower, and I gotta be careful not to hit the bumps or tractors. Let's check out a Cuban style mechanic shop. Okay. Oh, taxi. So he's making a taxi. Year? 52, 48. Really nice. So you do the paint. So they're doing chassis. They already got the hood and stuff painted. And they've got the front clip done. It's really nice. Oh, nice. Chevy. Probably early 50s. If you guys know what it is, let me know because I have no idea. But it looks sweet. So we're walking up to the fort in Santiago de Cuba. So this is pretty cool. And there's a pretty cool moat. And it works because there's dead crabs in it. 57? Cool. I like it, I like it. We're gonna... Oh, nice. It's leaking a little bit, but it looks nice. So cool. Nice, thank you. So cool, the cars that just show up at the hotel. Oh, so cool. Nice. Jeep front. Can't really see it. It's nice. So this is a brand I've never seen before. This is a Moscovich, an 83 Moscovich. That says something else there. I don't know what that says. It looks really cool, as in square. There we go. So it's a Russian car. So apparently he's king of the road, which in Cuba he would be. Oh, that's really clean. So it's a 4-cylinder gasoline, but super clean, very nicely maintained for an 83. This is a nice car. Well, if you guys know what capacity this is, it'd be neat to know. You can check out the dash. So he's got all the accoutrement. 5-speed. He's got the race seats and the stereo. They all have banging stereos in their cars, which is kind of awesome. Yeah, super clean car.
You know that's the Moscovich from Russia.
Yeah. Well, I didn't think it was from Canada. And it's crazy they all have these vents in the back. And this is a privately owned car, so he rents it out as he's a taxi cab driver. How many are on the odometer? I should start doing that more. 417,000 kilometers it says on this. We've got a Lada, some kind of like Suzuki, and then we got this. Apparently it's a 59 Ford, but it's an English model Ford. It's got the custom tail lights, which is pretty cool. Doing the body work right now on it. This is the doctor's car. It's pretty cool. So it's got a 4-cylinder Lada, and it's a different configuration than I saw the other one, but it's nicely and clean put in. 5-speed, I guess. Look, the brake master spacer, just to get things to work. It's got disc brakes front and rear, and the interior looks pretty cool too. I think they fit a dash from a different car into this, and the steering column looks like it's from the Lada as well. Very nice. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys liked all the cool swaps they do down there. If you guys have ever been to cool countries or other places that do the same thing, let us know down in the comments. I'd love to look at them. And you know what? Maybe we'll go back. I had a lot of fun just checking out the stuff. The ingenuity down there is amazing. Anyway, guys, have fun.